Hey kids, Mason here. Today we're going to take a look at the stuff I got at the train show today at the Holiday Inn in Dunmore today. Some more N-scale stuff for the videos I've been putting out. I figured I'd pick up a couple new pieces to kind of zest things up. So without further ado, let's take a look. Okay, so we're going to start out with the cars. This one was given to me as a package deal with this car, which was added on to these two lifelike Alco C424s. I got a pair of them. This one is the 2550. And that one is the 2555. And these are pretty nice looking engines. They run pretty good. These are DC, of course. Very well detailed. Very nice pieces. Now I need to get a New Haven caboose. So the last piece that I got here to show you today is actually the first piece that I picked up in the show. All of these pieces were picked up from the same person. Thanks, Jimmy. Appreciate it. The good deal that you got me with these. But this engine here was also a very good deal. It is a Sam Hongsa Hallmark Models GP35 standard low nose in Erie, Lackawanna, of course. It doesn't necessarily run the greatest, but at the price that I paid, it was worth it just to have it. It probably hasn't been run and maintained in a very, very long time, but I'm very happy to have stumbled upon it. It's such a nice looking engine with all of the fine detail work on this engine. Let's see if it'll focus. I'm trying to get it to focus. There you go. There's the other side. Very nicely detailed. It has a good weight to it as well. And yeah, that's what I picked up at Bernie's show. 2023. I think it was a pretty good haul. I didn't spend a whole lot, so that was pretty cool. And I got another piece of brass, which was super cool. So yeah, anyway, I hope that you guys will like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.